Hello friends, welcome to AngularJS tutorial part 4. My name is Alexander Jesus Jean. I am director of IC Technologies. Our website is ictechnologies.in. My contact number is 9952762769, or you can drop me an email at ic@ictechnologies.in. So in this part 4, this is part 4, right? So in the end of part 3 tutorial, we saw what are the uses of ng-hide and ng-show. Right now, in this fourth tutorial, just take it down. Right, so part 4, we will see some filters. Okay, so sorry, last tutorial I told that we will be seeing some controllers. We will be seeing the controllers in the next tutorial. Right, here we will see some filters. Right, so we got some filters, basic filters: uppercase, lowercase, currency, like those things, right? So these are used to instead of having 3 to 4 lines of JavaScript code, we can just use it along with the code as a single word, so that everything has been converted. That's the plus of AngularJS, right? So you'll see how it works. So let's go to our working code. Right, on my left hand side I got my Bluefish editor, and I have opened my index.html. If you are following my tutorial from the first, you will know what is this. And on my right hand side I got my Firefox web browser. Right, I'm sorry, in the last tutorial I actually closed this div, so I actually deleted this closing div. Just add this closing div here, so I'll have this div closed. Right, so here what we'll have is, we'll have an input, we'll have a paragraph tag with the input type equal to text, and ng-model equals my text. Alright, we'll have it as username. Alright, fine. So here normally what we'll do is h3 tag, we'll have welcome username. So I hope you understand what's the use of ng-model. The ng-model actually binds, or actually equalizes the variable username to the text which has been inputted over here. Right, so this will be displayed on this area, right, in line number 12. So just go to our browser and then refresh it. We got a box here, and then we got something over here. So if we'll type just a hello Alexander, we got Alexander here. Right, this is what we saw it in our previous tutorial. Now we'll be using some filters over here. Right, so what we'll do is, we'll just use this symbol, right, and then type lowercase. Right, so whatever you type here will be changed to lowercase model. Right, so if you just say my function, it's not changing. Just a second. Sorry friends, I didn't actually refresh it. I just refreshed it. Right, and now if I type anything in uppercase, right, it will be taken as lowercase here. Right, if I use uppercase here, right, if I type anything over here, again I need to refresh it, refresh the page. If I type anything, right, it will be automatically taken to uppercase. Right, so if you are using jQuery or JavaScript, you will be writing minimum 5 to 10 lines of code. With AngularJS, it's like just simply typing uppercase. Alright, and the next filter will be currency. See, along with this there are a lot of filters available. You can actually test those things as per your requirement, but these are frequently used ones, right? So here if you say if this is my money, right, so I'll just name it as amount type equal to number, right, just change it to amount, right? So if I type here 1 2 3, I didn't refresh it, sorry, just type save it and then refresh it again, right? If I type 1 2 3, you will get the default symbol as dollar with fraction size as 0. Fraction size that means it's after this dot, right? If I don't want this dollar symbol within my code, what I can do is I can just type with a colon and just type INR the space. Now if I refresh it, I won't be getting the dollar symbol, I'll be getting INR symbol, right? If you want, you can use euro also, the choice is yours. Okay, now if I want to increase this fraction size, after the dot I have another one colon, and then if I type 5 here, right, you can see the fraction size is going to increase. See, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 zeros are available, right? This is how you can control the fraction sizes also with AngularJS, right? So these are some pluses of AngularJS. And another plus of AngularJS is your functionalities can be done in the page itself. Say for example, you got two values, 1 and 2, right? So the sum is right, so this will be 3. You can do your mathematical functions inside your line itself, right? It's not necessary that you need to call a jQuery again and then get things back. You can do it in the page itself, right? And say if you got two text over here, G and Alexander, right? So both will be concatenated, right? So we'll have a plus here and then we'll have a space over here. Okay, this space is just to get you a clear picture, right? And then if I refresh it, I'll be having the name is okay. So you can concatenate the values also here, right? So I hope you know this. For a string you need to mention, you need to give it within a quotes, right? So this is another strong function of AngularJS. You can write it in a single code itself, right? So in the next tutorial we will see some controllers. Might be, yeah, we will be seeing the controllers and then we'll work it out. Okay, right, thank you.